We ENC have more than 30 series of tap changer products, and more than 500 combinations, which can fully meet the demand of the transformer with 220 kV, and below. Annual output of all kinds of switches, 400,000 units. We can do the customized products according to the customer's requests. Our main products are as following: on-load tap changer, capacity and voltage regulation OLTC with online oil filter, a load capacity and voltage regulation tap changer, off-circuit cage series tap changer, a load tap changer for dry type transformer, off-circuit cage, plate tap changer, off-circuit cylindrical drum linear tap changer, off-circuit round tap changer, off-circuit linear tap changer, and so on. Our products sell well in Indonesia, Australia, Switzerland, Peru, and etc.